In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable FaceTime Live Photos on your iPhone 14 or later. FaceTime Live Photos is a fantastic feature that allows you to capture special moments during a FaceTime call in the form of live photos. But there might be times when you don't want this feature enabled, either for privacy reasons or simply because you don't need it. Whether you're new to the iPhone or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with this easy step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get started. First, pick up your iPhone and head into the Settings app. If you're not familiar with it, look for the grey icon that resembles a set of gears. Once you're in Settings, you can either scroll through the list or you can use the search feature at the top to speed things up. But since we're doing this step by step, let's scroll down a bit until you see the option labelled Apps. Tap on it. After opening the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Here you'll need to find FaceTime. It should be somewhere in the alphabetically arranged list. Once you've found FaceTime, go ahead and tap on it. This opens a new window with all of FaceTime's settings and options. In the FaceTime settings, scroll down until you see the option for FaceTime Live Photos. It might take a little bit of scrolling, but don't worry, it's there. When you see the FaceTime Live Photos setting, you'll notice a toggle switch right next to it. Now, if you want to be able to snap live photos during FaceTime calls, make sure that toggle switch is set to the on position. Simply tap the switch and it should change color to indicate that it's active. This will allow you and others to take live photos during your FaceTime conversations. On the other hand, if you'd prefer not to have live photos taken of you during a call, simply switch it to the off position. With the switch off, none of your friends or family will be able to take live photos while chatting with you on FaceTime. One important note to keep in mind is that for FaceTime Live Photos to actually work, both you and the person on the other end of the call need to have this feature enabled in your respective settings. If you're trying to take a live photo but it isn't working, this might be the reason, and that's all there is to it. Now, you have complete control over whether or not live photos can be taken during your FaceTime calls. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.